Hi. I know life feels heavy sometimes when you're about to start a new chapter in your life. Like, it is supposed to be exciting and, full of like main character vibes, but you're afraid, like, if it is the right option for you or not. First, know that fear is normal human emotion, and that is what makes us more vulnerable and more human and more raw and real. 12th standard, so basically this is my last school year और इससे आगे like I know this is going to be exciting, but I'm scared. I fear what if things would not go the way I'm thinking right now, like जैसे चलेंगी अगर वैसा नहीं हुआ तो मैं क्या करूँगी. But I think this is okay. It is not supposed to stop me. I have planned to shift to a new city, to move to a new city, but I'm afraid, like, if I would be able to make connections with people, if it is the right option for me, if I'm gonna stay safe there. But I'm trying my best to understand myself that I don't need to stop. Like, I don't need to stop dreaming big just because I'm afraid. Because that's so human, right? Like, it's so human to fear out things. It's so human to fear if things will go right or not. We'll see. We get afraid because we can't really see what's next. Like, abhi bhi everything that I have, like, I don't have so much right now, like कोई six figure business नहीं है मेरे पास as a teenager, but still whatever those small things that I have right now, like everything, like even the smallest thing, like even starting this YouTube channel, like I had ideas to start a YouTube channel, but I've never thought that I would be sitting in front of camera and would be speaking like this. Like, I had ideas to make faceless content or something, like jahan pe I don't really need to put myself out there, but today I'm putting myself out there and I feel so grateful that I can speak here. And this is the very big step that I took. This is the very something that I was so scared of. But I'm so grateful now that I actually did, because this is helping me so much to be confident in myself. Like, I don't have many subscribers or something, but I feel good because this was something that I was so afraid. But now it's giving me so much wisdom, so much, like something so sacred and so much confidence inside of me. Even you have something inside of your mind to start, like some business or, to any new beginning, just know that if you fear this, it doesn't mean that it's not right for you. Fear is so human emotion, and you don't need to stop just because you fear something. I fear so many things, but I'm not going to stop. I'm not trying to sound like some motivational speaker, but this is something that I've learned till date. Like, I've did so many things that I was so afraid, but now those things give me so much, like so much, like so many connections with people, so many special connections with people, and so many good things, so many experiences that I did not know that I needed, but when I got them, I feel so grateful about them right now. And courage isn't about not feeling fear, it just starting out. Just do it, even if you fear that it will not go right, just do it. Like, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या ही हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं. Remember that you are not late, you're just on your own time. We have different timelines, and we cannot compare ourselves to someone else's different timelines. Like, you know what I mean. Your fear means that you're stepping out of your comfort zone. Like, we are so comfortable in our own life that we don't want to go out, like we have romanticized so much कि like बेड पे पड़े रहना, बेड रॉटिंग. वी हैव रोमांटिसाइज दिस सो मच. क्या करते हैं, सो जाते हैं और म्यूज़िक सुनते हैं, खाते हैं और बस सो जाते हैं. इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करते हैं. एंड वी हैव रोमांटिसाइज दिस थिंग सो मच, बट इट इज़ नॉट सपोज टू बी रोमांटिसाइज. यू डोंट नीड टू बी फियरलेस. It's fine if you fear something, because there is so much to come, and this is just the beginning. So yeah, this is it for today, and I hope that you've learned something from this video, and from like जो भी छोटा मोटा experience मेरे पास था, like I've shared that. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.